SonTek here from Design Analytics in the UK, designer of the rQPOD, and today I just wanted to take you through how to change a propeller just in case you have damage. So you might have some orange propellers like this. This is on the newer Mark II ones which say CCW on the back. They are interchangeable. You can use them on the left side or the right side. Or you might have some old propellers which are blue, like this one over here. And you can see this one has some damage here. One of the propellers has got damaged, or the impeller I should say. And we're just going to show you how to change it. But whatever you do, if you're changing your impeller, just have a look at the back of it. It might be a CCW one like this one, or it might be a CW one, counterclockwise or clockwise. And the pitch of these propellers will be reversed. So make sure whatever you're replacing is the same direction as what you have here. We changed the propellers all to be CCW maybe 2 years ago to make this job easier. You can use a left propeller or motor on the right hand side and it doesn't cause any confusion. Some of the old ones had green or red collars on here to identify which is which. Now we have just black ones, so you can use them on either side. So the first thing you need to do is get a Phillips screwdriver, take off these 3 screws on the outside, put this on here, put them somewhere safe so that you don't lose them. Over on the side, one last one over here, and you should then be able to pull the wheel guard and the stator apart from the engine like this. If you can't, if it's coming apart not like this, you might just find out that there is a screw that's in the bottom here, and I'll do a separate video for this to tell you how to get rid of this one. Stop putting this screw in now just to make things easier for you. The next thing you're going to need is a 2mm Allen key, and simply just take off these 2 screws off the back here. Take off the damaged one, recycle it if you can, and then just line up these, put this on here, put the screws back in here on the end, and then put it together. Again, if you see in my other videos here, I've just made you note there's a flat spot on this wheel guard on here. This flat spot here lines up with the bottom of the FCS bracket, so make sure you get that in around the right way when you put it all back together. Put the screws in, tighten up, and you're ready to go.